Thank you very much to speak to me today, Mr. ScoMo Prime Minister.
Great to be here. Thank you for the opportunity.
First up, a very, very bad issue that I'm going through concerning Victoria Premier Dan Andrew, or as people like to call him, Dick Dan. Why does he not wear a tie when he go to a press conference?
It's very hard to say.
He looked like Notre-Dame.
Well, that is exactly the situation.
What have you done to correct this issue?
Speaking very regularly to the Premier and giving him every support we can.
Do you think he'll be re-elected?
No.
We were doing very well in regard to coronavirus in the first wave. How do we fare now?
We still are doing very well. 7 states and territories, even in New South Wales, where they're under pressure.
Victoria people, they're very different. They're very frustrated and very bitter. They're Victoria bitter.
Victoria is obviously a different situation, and we feel for all of those in Victoria at the moment, and we're putting every resource into helping them and standing by them, whether it's the Defence Forces or our public health officials at a Commonwealth level. Let's not forget that what we've seen in Victoria started because of the outbreak from the quarantine. This wasn't community transmission, this was a failure of quarantine, and that went out into the rest of the community. Security
guard sects are unbelievable. They're supposed to be securing the area, not somebody private, you know what I mean?
It only takes that one failure. See, it is possible to avoid this. That is doable.
Yeah, but I mean, what if the man was already balls deep?
It's almost impossible to avoid that.
Could you do a favour for me and the people at home to write the performance of these security guards?
Fast and quick.
My wife Maria would like to ask you a question. What my wife wants to know is, during her mental cycle, what would happen if she contracted coronavirus?
COVID period.
Kuna Cheese has changed the name because a lot of people think it's a rice. But then a lot of people said if they change the name to the cheese, why don't we change the name to Whiteout to something else? Do you have any suggestion?
Blacked out.
Mr. ScoMo, what is your main focus in this pandemic?
What we will do as a government is do things that create jobs. Someone is in a job, they're paying taxes.
I don't want to pay my tax, you understand? It's not easy, you know.
No, it's not easy, but it's what's necessary.
Mr. ScoMo, what is your view on the son of the beach, Karen, on the social media?
There's only one response, and we've provided it.
Which is?
Who cares?
What if there is no vaccine, Mr. Prime Minister? What if there is no vaccine?
Australians can focus on that. What if there's never a vaccine? And that means your head is to the floor. And when your head is to the floor, you can't see what your opportunities are ahead. And that's where I need Australians' heads. I need them looking up. I need them looking forward.
I'm in isolation with my wife and my son. My son, every night I can hear he uses his body as an amusement park with himself. In my house. Every time I take a piss, I gotta wear a fucking mask. Cats and dogs living together, mass hysteria. Something gotta give.
Getting cranky doesn't help.
Thank you, Mr. ScoMo, Prime Minister of Australia.
Great to have you here.